Tekno.
Hi, my name is Kevin Jong. I'm the co-founder and business development director of Tekno. Besides Tekno, actually I'm a truck carrosserie manufacturer and a high residential property developer. Because of those businesses, I have the opportunity to travel across Indonesia, from west to the east side of Indonesia, including the mining sites, small cities, and villages which is in the very remote areas. I found out that there are so many people who doesn't have any bank account and very traditional. Every transaction is cash. Many of them also don't have enough income to live properly. I realized with that limitations in these remote areas, they still need of electricity token, cell phone credit, and also transportation to continue living. But the access to buy these things is very limited or very far from home. That's the reason why I started Tekno. Tekno is an app that provides your daily needs at a very competitive prices. It is also very convenient because it's just one click away from your smartphones. One of the most important things of Tekno is we give them a better chance to be a smart spender by giving them a very good cashback. I'm glad we joined GK Plug and Play team because it makes a significant progress for us. We can broaden our vision, understand the industry better, and also have a very strategic links and connections. We believe Tekno will bring a better economic improvement and creating chances for a better future across Indonesia, especially in the grassroots level. Tekno, solusi kota, solusi kita.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kevin Jong. I'm the co-founder of Tekno. Actually, there's Chelsea just now, yeah? Chelsea, Islam, and Pak Kaisang, yeah? Oh, it's one. Hi, Chelsea. I got a wife. Hi, my wife. Where's my wife? Hello, wife. Hello. Yeah, I think my wife is here. Okay, I'm the co-founder of Tekno. Let's start the presentation. Tekno, the sharing economy platform that gives back to you. I'd like to introduce you to my friend. Okay, his name is Denny. Okay, as you can see, he's a 27 years old onion farmer. Okay, he lives in Jepara. Does anybody of you in this room know where Jepara is? Yeah, somebody knows in Lampung. It's in East Lampung actually. It's still in Indonesia, of course. It's in East Lampung, it's Sumatra Island. Okay, and his marital status is single, just in case you'd like to know. And his hobby is playing Facebook and watching YouTube. Look like Mas Kaisang, exactly the same, yeah, watching YouTube. So, but the interesting question is, what happens when his YouTube data quota finish, right? What he needs to do is this is the real situation of the road, yeah. He needs to walk about 20 minutes to 30 minutes just to buy the physical voucher. You guys still remember this? Just to buy this. And it's very expensive, but maybe 10,000 about 12,000, the 20,000 one about 24,000, the 50,000 one about 54,000. It's quite expensive. And I think this never happened in Jakarta. But actually, believe me, this thing's still happening across Indonesia in most of the cities. Okay, this is the real situation. So, as we know, we have this, my good friend Denny and his smartphone, and he got his physical voucher, and apparently, he doesn't have any bank account. And for us, for Tekno, that's a big opportunity. So, what did I do after I knew that? I asked Denny to download Tekno, for free of course. Then what he needs to do, he just needs to top up his T-credit, then he click the T-pay, then click the Pulsa HP, then voila, he got the cell phone credit straight away. So so now Denny is able to buy his cell phone credit easier, cheaper, more convenient. But that's not the end because we don't sell only the cell phone credit. Now we have access to Denny and his friends. Initially, he got the cell phone credit. He bought the cell phone credit for us. Then we sell the electricity token, water bill, TV cable if he needs. The question is, does he need to live with electricity? Does he need to buy the electricity token every month? I believe so. Even though he's not buying from us, he needs to buy somewhere else. So what he needs to do now, we provide him with an easier access in his phone to buy the electricity token. That's it. Then after that, so because of Tekno, Denny has a girlfriend now. Then he want to go to his girlfriend's house. He used our ride-hailing services, which we got also. Then after he arrived, he do the food delivery service. He wants to get a dinner with his girlfriend, and he just called the food delivery service. Then etc. and many more. We can do many things in the future: fund lending, yeah, other financial services, etc. As long as we have the access to this Danny and his friends, it's gonna be a lot of business we can do together with him. Okay. So just to refresh our mind, Indonesia, as we all know, is 265 million people. Our top 10 big cities population around 50 million, so it's left about 250 million people. Then this is Jepara. It's about 15,000 people live there. And this is the real pictures of the Jepara. It's a beautiful natural dam over there. What I'm trying to say in here, I want to quote Jack Ma's quote. Actually, he said, eBay is a shark in the ocean. Alibaba are a crocodile in the Yangtze River. What I'm trying to say is here is when all the big players are looking at big cities, we Tekno, we are looking at the small cities. We want to be the leader in the small cities across Indonesia. It's going to be a huge market. Then, this is our revenue stream and market acquisition. It's simple. Tekno take about 3 to 25%, depending on the products. And this is also, it's a good thing, we give them a recurring cashback and a referral bonus up to 10%. Actually, you know, the small cities like Jepara, everybody knows everyone. You know, they're very close. It's like one whole big family. So it's very effective actually. And this guy, Denny, he earns about 500,000 rupiah from Tekno. So we hope with your investment now, we hope that Tekno can create a lot of Denny across Indonesia. Okay, this is our team. We have Parobet, Patrick, Denny. You know, the point what I'm trying to say here, like all of us love traveling across Indonesia. We know, we've been working with a lot of people across Indonesia. We know in that area, we know who is the government leader, we know who is the business owner, we know many people. Then we have this access to them, actually. That's like Denny. Actually, he's a farmer. We know him through his boss, actually. He works in a hotel, actually. And he's a farmer, too, actually. Then, okay, this is the last slide. Currently, we have about 144,000 transactions yearly, about 12,000 monthly, and our revenue is about $1 million US, about 80,000 monthly actually, and we are going to scale up to 1.2 million transactions every month. Expected revenue $10 million US, and investment we are looking for 800,000. Thank you very much for listening. If you want to know more about Tekno, please find us at the booth.